Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about numbering figures and tables in non-fiction in Scrivener 3 for Windows. I'm using the APA paper template for this, but all templates that have this under replacements in the compile format will work this way. Obviously, you can add this to a template if you wish. So in order to create numbered figures, you need to put this text below the figure. Exclamation mark, fig, then a bracketed keyword, that keyword being your reference to how you will refer to this figure in the future. What wasn't blindingly obvious to me, not being someone who's used to doing this, was that you also need to put the word figure with a space before this. So what you have is figure space, exclamation mark, FIG, bracket, your keyword, close bracket. Then you need to give the figure its title. So after the bracket put colon, space and the title. So this is what you end up with. For tables you do exactly the same thing with the word table. So you have table, space, exclamation mark, table, bracket, your keyword, bracket, colon, space and the title. This will number all your tables and figures consecutively throughout your manuscript. Now, if you want to refer to a figure or table at another point in the document, you need to place this in your text. Hashed FIG, bracket, your keyword, bracket, or hashed table, bracket, your keyword, bracket. The APA template has two specific styles for the imported figure or table and the text. These are figure for the image and figure text. But you still need to format the labels with bold and italics as per the APA guidelines in this format, or however your template's guidelines want them formatted. I guess this isn't in the style because there's no way to split that formatting on one line, and this is how the formatting displays in this template. Oops, I forgot to say figure when referencing it. You won't forget to do that, will you? I imagine other non-fiction templates will have differences for formatting, and I'll deal with those when I get to those templates. But the general principles of adding numbers to your figures and tables will be the same. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.